Plan and practice Hindi channel. Today we will see class 5 Hindi lesson 1 Dimag ki ladai. Dimag ki means using brain, some cleverness is exhibited for the war. It is a Dimag ki means a clever approach, wisely approach towards what? Ladai. Ladai means war or battle. So Dimag ki ladai is battle of wits. That is the meaning. We'll go to the story now. एक दिन बगदाद के सुल्तान के दरबार में पड़ोसी सुल्तान का दूत आया. One day, an envoy from a neighboring sultan arrived at the court of Sultan of Baghdad. So there was a king, Baghdad. There was a neighboring king. He sent a messenger to this Sultan of Baghdad. यह तो पड़ोसी सुल्तान का दूत है. So he is the envoy of the previous near kingdom or the nearby neighboring kingdom. यह तो पड़ोसी सुल्तान का दूत है. पड़ोसी means neighboring. Sultan means king. So neighboring king का दूत. दूत means envoy. A person who messenger who convert one kingdom to other kingdom. He goes and meet the king of other kingdom. क्यों आया है यह? Why did he come? मैं क्या जानूं? उसने मुझे कुछ बताया तो नहीं. So one person is asking why did he come? So other person he is saying I don't know why did he come. He did not tell me anything. How should I know? He didn't tell me anything. इतने में दूत ने अपनी जेब से खड़िया का एक टुकड़ा निकाला. What did he do? The envoy, whoever he has come, he just then envoy took a piece of chalk from his pocket. अपनी जेब means pocket. इतने में just then दूत means envoy ने अपनी जेब from his pocket he took a खड़िया का एक टुकड़ा निकाला. He took a piece of chalk piece. चुपचाप सुल्तान के तख्त के चारों ओर एक गोल लकीर खींच दी. What did he do? चुपचाप means silently. He drew a circle. सुल्तान ने तख्त के चारों ओर all the four sides of the throne, king's throne, he draw a circle. He silently drew a circle around king sultan throne. Then he walked away. लकीर खींची और चलता बना. चलता बना means he went away. He walked away. उसने ऐसा क्यों किया भला? So why did he do like that? Why on earth did he do like that? The king is asking his courtiers, his court members. पता नहीं सुल्तान, पर कोई टोना टोटका किसी किया हो या फिर सुल्तान पर. पता नहीं सुल्तान पर कोई टोना टोटका किया हो या फिर सुल्तान पर. So perhaps a spell was cast on the sultan or an sultanate itself. So they are trying to cast the king or the kingdom itself, sultanate itself. अगर उसके सुल्तान ने जादू वादू करवाया है तो तब तो हम गए काम से। Who knows if something magic they would have done. Sultan ne jadoo wadu means some magic. Probably they are trying to do some magic, black magic on the king. सुल्तान ने अक्लमंद दरबारियों से सलाह मशविरा किया। उन्होंने उस घेरे का बारीकी से निरीक्षण किया। The king consulted his courtiers. उन्होंने उस घेरे का बारीकी से निरीक्षण किया। So they went near to the circle and they started examining the circle very closely. इस ओर से लकीर कुछ टेढ़ी दिखती है। The line looks a bit crooked from this angle. Like that, the king is saying. So all the courtiers went and they were examining the circle and they are saying the line is little crooked. Crooked means some cross or not correct at that from that angle. Like that one person is observing and he is saying his observation. The courtiers is saying. असल मुद्दा यह नहीं है। असल मुद्दा यह नहीं है। इस घेरे का मतलब क्या है यह समझाओ। So the king is saying one court person is saying the line is little crooked but king is saying it is not required. I didn't ask you that. King is saying it is not the real issue. The real issue is what is the problem, what they are trying to convey is from the neighborhood kingdom. A person coming and drawing a line for the near the throne of the king, this sultan, is not a joke. So the sultan got worried and he is asking his court members to make him understand what is happening around. दरबारी काफी देर तक आपस में विचार विमर्श करते रहे। The courtiers they were discussing among themselves. The courtiers deliberated among themselves. Deliberated means they were discussing what is happening. Each of them telling their views. They were discussing among themselves. अंत में बादशाह सलामत बहुत पगजपच्छी करने के बाद भी हम इस घेरे का मतलब समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं। So the courtiers came to the king at the end. Finally, the courtiers are saying we are unable to understand what does that line mean. So we were just discussing for a long time. Like that the courtiers are saying to the king. ओफो मैं बर्बाद हो गया। ए खुदा किन बेवकूफों से पाला बड़ा है। So hey God, all the courtiers seem to be bunch of fools. I were depending on them and they are making me fool. अचानक एक दरबारी को ख्याल आया, Your Majesty, even after racking our brains, we are unable to find the meaning of this circle. The courtiers are explaining to the king. After breaking our brains also, racking our brains also, we are unable to understand this. So one of the courtiers said, अचानक एक दरबारी को ख्याल आया, बादशाह सलामत खोजा को क्यों नहीं बुलवा लेते। इस पहेली को सुलझना उनकी ही बस का काम है। इस पहेली means it's a riddle now. Drawing a line near king's or sultan's throne is a riddle now. So what is this happening? Let us ask one person. His name is Khoja. Like that, one of the court members of the sultan is saying the sultan. Suddenly a courtier had an idea. Your Majesty, why not summon Hoja? Hoja means a person who can solve this. He is the only one capable of solving this riddle. Sulajna means solving this riddle. Your Majesty, बादशाह सलामत क्यों नहीं खोजा को क्यों नहीं बुलवा लेते। इस पहेली को सुलझाना उनके ही बस का काम है। So that person Hoja can definitely solve this riddle. वाह क्या सुझाया है, क्या सुझाया है। होजा तो मेरी सल्तनत का सबसे सयाना आदमी है। वाह क्या सुझाया है। So what a suggestion. सुझाया is suggestion. Splendid. Wow means splendid, super. You have given a good suggestion. होजा तो मेरी सल्तनत का सबसे सयाना आदमी है। So होजा is the wisest man in my kingdom. ताजुब है मुझे अभी तक उसका ख्याल ही नहीं आया। It is amazing that I did not even remember him. Even I did not think of him, even cross my mind until now. So I forgot about him. Nice time you reminded me about him. So king is planning to call Hoja, that person, now. Hoja को बुलाओ. The king is saying, Hoja को बुलाओ. Call Hoja. Summon Hoja. हाँ जल्दी से बुलाओ. Yes, call him immediately. Summon him immediately. जोरों से होजा की पुकार मची, तेज दौड़ने वाले हरकारे उसकी खोज में दौड़ाए गए। तो जोरों से होजा की पुकार मची। So with loud noise, announcement was made for the person Hoja. आहा होजा, उफ उफ, तुम्हें फौरन सुल्तान ने दरबार में हाजिर होना है। क्यों भाई, क्या हो गया आखिर? So switch messages were sent to in a rush to find Hoja, and they found Hoja. So they informed the person Hoja, you come to Sultan's court immediately. So he got anxiety. What has happened? Why the Sultan is calling me immediately? Like that he is asking the messengers. Hoja is asking the messenger. Hoja को हरकारे ने पूरा मामला बताया. The messenger told all the details to the person Hoja. और इस पहले को बूझने वाले को और इस पहेली को बूझने वाले को सुल्तान इनाम भी देंगे. The messenger explained the whole matter to Hoja, and he also said, whoever solves this riddle, Paheli means riddle. Bujna is to solve. So whoever solves this riddle, so inam bhi denge. Inam Sultan inam bhi denge means the Sultan will give a reward also if a person solves this riddle. Like that messenger is saying to Hoja, इनाम मैं चलता हूँ पर कुछ सामान साथ में लेने पड़ेंगे. So he said Hoja said, yeah sure I will come, but along with me I will take some things before I come with you. He is saying the messenger. Hoja is saying the messenger. होजा ने बच्चों के खेलने के कुछ छोटे मोटे खिलौने और एक पालतू सूजा साथ में लिए और चल पड़ा महल की ओर. So what did Hoja do? He took some toys. The children will play, no? The toys, small toys he took with him, and he took one chick. Chick means a hen baby. He took along with him, along with the messenger. आओ होजा आओ, मैं तो बड़ा परेशान हूँ. The king invited Hoja. He said, I am really worried. Please come to the palace. I am worried. Like that the king is saying to Hoja. Tehro, tehro. Wait. या अल्लाह, वह दूध फिर आ दमका, उसे मेरे पास दीजिए. The messenger has come again. The neighborhood messenger, he has come again to king's court. So Hoja says, you send that messenger to me. I will, उसे मेरे पास दीजिए. So उसे मेरे पास दीजिए. You send him to me. Wait, like that he is saying. Hoja is saying. चावल, वाह, अब तो इसका हमेशा के लिए फैसला करना होगा. Rice, wow, now this matter needs to be settled immediately, once for all. He threw the chick. Hoja threw the chick that he has brought with him. That messenger ran away. We could see in the picture. Hoja, उसकी तो तुमने छुट्टी कर दी. So all are praising Hoja. Hoja, you have really finished him, because the messenger, the thing that he did, the messenger ran away. Hoja, what did he do? He threw the toys. He put the chick near the rice, and that messenger ran away. So everybody are praising Hoja that the messenger ran away and you have done a great thing. उसकी तो तुमने छुट्टी कर दी. छुट्टी कर दी means you have certainly finished him off. भाई मजा आ गया. It was a nice thing. Ha, देखो कैसा भागा. See how the messenger is running. Ha, हम जीत गए. Yes, we have won. देखो कैसे दुम दबाकर बाहर डरपोक कुत्ते की तरह. हा. My understanding is very simple. We have one. Look how he ran away with his tail between his legs, like a covered dog. If dog is covered, its tail goes between the legs. So he ran away like that. Pooja is saying. So हो जाओ, उसकी तो तुमने छुट्टी कर दी, पर आखिर यह माजरा क्या था, मेरी समझ के बाहर है. So king is saying, I could not understand, but anyhow you have made him run away. So what is this all about? You make me understand. सीधी सी बात है. This is very simple. होजा is saying. वह आपको जता रहा था कि उसका सुल्तान आप पर चढ़ाई करेगा और राजधानी को चारों ओर से घेर लेगा. So the neighborhood king has said that he would attack you and he will throw you out of the capital from all the sides. He will attack you from all the sides. That is what their message is. Like that, Pooja is saying to the king. यह था आपके तख्त के चारों ओर लकीर खींचने का मतलब. So this is the meaning why they drew a line around your throne, because they want to just catch you by surrounding you and the capital from all the sides. Like that, Hoja is saying to the king. That is why they have drawn this circle. That is the meaning of this circle. वो अब समझा, पर तुमने उसके पैर पर बच्चों का खिलौना क्यों फेंका? Now I understood. Oh, so now I got it. But why did you throw a child's toy at his feet? So Hoja threw child's toy at the envoy's feet. Why did you throw? उसे यह समझाने के लिए कि हम उनसे ज्यादा ताकतवर है. I threw the child's toy at that envoy's feet just to show him that we are powerful than them. So only I threw the toy at that envoy's feet. Like that, Hoja is saying सुनता. सीधे लफ्जों में मेरा मतलब था कि तुम हमारे सामने निरे बच्चे हो. तुम्हारा भला इसी में है कि अपने घर में रहो और खिलौनों से खेलो. So to put it very simply, I meant to the envoy, you are just children before us when compared to us. So don't play with us. It is best for you to stay at your home and play with toys. That is why I threw the toy at the envoy. Like that, Hoja is saying and explaining the king. King is laughing for the good reply of Hoja to the envoy. इस पर हमें दिखाने के लिए कि उसके सुल्तान के पास बेशुमार फौजी है, उसने जमीन पर चावल के दाने फेंके. So the envoy also threw some rice. So what does it indicate? So that also Hoja is explaining. He is explaining to Sultan, they threw the rice because they are telling us as the rice is infinite, they also have countless soldiers. They scattered grains of rice on the ground. So to show us that they have countless soldiers as rice is infinite to count. To show us, they threw some rice on the ground. Like that, Hoja is saying and explaining सुल्तान, मैंने चावल चुगने के लिए सूजे को छोड़ दिया जिसका था अगर तुमने सचमुच हमारे साथ लड़ाई छेड़ी तो तुम्हारा एक भी सिपाही जिंदा नहीं बचेगा. What will the chick do? The chick will eat all the grain. It will pick up the rice. The chick will pick up the rice. So Hoja said to the envoy, meaning that, see, our chick is eating all the rice and finishing off. Similarly, we will also finish all your soldiers. We will also kill all your soldiers. Not a single person will be alive and survive. So be very careful. It is better for you to stay at your home and play the toys. So that was the fit reply that Hoja gave to the envoy. मैंने चावल चुगने के लिए सूजे को छोड़ दिया जिसका मतलब था अगर तुमने सचमुच हमारे साथ लड़ाई छेड़ी तो तुम्हारा एक भी सिपाही जिंदा नहीं बचेगा. So I just threw the chick to pick up the rice. Just as the chick eats all the rice, I just warned the envoy, implying that if you actually start a war with us, not even a single of your soldier would survive. So that was a good shot that Hoja gave the envoy. He, सचमुच तुमने तो कमाल कर दिया. So the king was very very happy. He was having a good person, a wise person in his kingdom, and the king appreciated Hoja that you have done a great thing and you saved this country. कुछ समझ तो सका न पर यह कुछ समझ तो सका न. Probably he understood something. Hope so. Like the king is asking Hoja. जरूर समझा होगा, आपने उसे भागते हुए नहीं देखा. So Hoja said, you don't worry, he would have definitely understood. See how did he run away. Like that Hoja is saying the king. हाँ वह तो देखा था. Yes, I saw him running away. I saw him running away, Hoja. Like the king is saying to Hoja. Hoja, मैं तुम्हें अपना वजीर बनाना चाहता हूँ. I want to make you as a vizier in my court. I want to make a person who would admires me. I want you to have you as I want you to have in my court and admires me. That the king is saying to Hoja, you become my court members. नहीं बादशाह, सलामत, शुक्रिया. Salamat means majesty. Nahi Bacha, no majesty, no your majesty. Yeah. King is saying it is very difficult for Hoja to say no, but still he says, thank you for the opportunity you gave, but no your majesty, I am unable to become your court member. So king was taken back. See, a king is asking and a person says no. असल में मैं बड़ा मशगूल रहता हूँ. King, I am always busy. Please forgive me. I am unable to continue as a court member. Like that, Hoja is replying to the Sultan. और यह कहते हुए होजा चल दिया. So by saying this, Hoja started walking away. और घर आकर मशगूल हो गया. So as usual, Hoja became very busy. आराम करने में हमेशा की तरह. So what is his busyness is to taking rest. So Hoja said, I am busy to the king. He came home and he started taking rest, and he became busy by taking rest as always he does. So that is this lesson. Hope you all understood Dimag Ki Ladai. So the battle of wits. Hoja has won the battle itself just by his cleverness and his voices. He made the envoy and the messenger of the neighborhood kingdom to just run away without fighting by using his cleverness. That is this lesson. This is DAB School Hindi lesson 1 Dimag Ki Ladai. Thank you for watching. Happy learning. For other lessons of class 5, you can go through my YouTube playlist. Thank you.